now they watching me. When I really come from poverty. I said I really come from poverty. Taking Roger like a kid. Not regretting, look. Not regretting what I did. Now my family profiting. I create my own vision. I sold my soul and made hella profit. They criticize without good solution. Too late for me, go ahead and apply it. She play with the tip when I bust it quick. Women out the country, most of them come with respect. These city bitches are too big-headed. Stuff it inside and when I bust you get out of my presence, you get 10 minutes. Hey, hey, hey. Out of my presence, you get 10 minutes. These city bitches are too big-headed. Stuff it inside and when I bust you get out of my presence, you get 10 minutes. If you want that overtime, you pay a fee. Get the fuck from me. I said. Woo! Keep the woman right, understanding they're God-given. If she's busy with a man, go ahead and ask a friend. Watch the universe at work, she soon be through with him. Give it time, but at the right time we'll be cruising in. My angel, not a place we can't go. Make it bulletproof and I promise you'll sit front row. I got her skipping and now she's counting on my bankroll. They're both are learning, now she know how to make that money grow. Pop that pussy good, but only when I ask her though. Watch that woman, she devil, she try to take this soul. After we fuck, it seem like she no longer want control. It doesn't work like that, no monitor, no more parole. I decide I can man, let all my people go. I decide let all my people go. Es buen fuego, una cause everything I say is factual. En la puta siguen puteando yo con dinero.